Learn English too.
Gujarati.
Funny contrast sentences with.
સમયનો પાબંદ.
Welcome to today's Gujarati adventure. Hey, you're here, and that already makes you a language hero with at least one invisible cape. Today you'll learn Gujarati through funny situations, useful contrast sentences, and a tiny amount of dramatic chaos. Our mission today is simple. You will hear a sentence in English, then meet it in Gujarati, then use it in little scenes your brain can actually remember. We'll practice 5 key ideas: someone who is punctual and reliable, someone who is tired but motivated, a choice between calling and writing, 2 busy people with no time, and a happy shopping moment where quality and price are both right. Ready? Excellent. Your imaginary Gujarati learning scooter has started. The man who arrives before the clock. Let's start with a very impressive person. He is so on time that even the wall clock feels lazy. In English, he is not only punctual, but also reliable. In Gujarati.
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે.
Listen again and notice the 2 qualities.
સમયનો પાબંદ
Means punctual.
વિશ્વસનીય
Means reliable. Now picture this. The office opens at 9. He arrives at 8:59, carrying files, tea, and the emotional stability of a mountain. Everyone whispers.
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે.
Funny memory trick. Tap your wrist for punctual, then put your hand on your heart for reliable. Wrist, heart.
સમયનો પાબંદ વિશ્વસનીય.
Mini dialogue. A. Why do you trust him? B.
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે.
Your turn. Say just the last key word, reliable.
વિશ્વસનીય.
Sleepy eyes, strong spirit. Now meet the heroine of late night effort. She looks ready for bed, but her motivation refuses to go to sleep. In English, she is tired but motivated. In Gujarati.
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
Break it into feeling and fire.
થાકી ગઈ
Means tired.
પ્રેરિત
Means motivated. Imagine her with messy hair, a giant mug of coffee, and one eye half closed. She yawns like a bear, opens her notebook, and says,
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
This is a great phrase for contrast: low energy, strong will. Body says no. Dream says absolutely yes. Mini dialogue. A. Why is she still studying? B.
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
Try the key word for motivated.
પ્રેરિત
Now the whole sentence once more, like a determined superhero wearing pajamas.
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
Call me maybe, or pass me a pen. Time for choices. This phrase is perfect when someone is hesitating and you are 1 second away from becoming mildly dramatic. In English, either you call or I write. In Gujarati.
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
The structure is useful.
કાં તો
Means either.
નહીતર
Means or else, otherwise.
ફોન કર
Is call.
લખું.
Is I right? Picture 2 giant buttons in front of you. One says phone, one says pen. The universe says choose now. You say.
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
Mini dialogue. A. We need to contact him. B.
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
Funny image. Even the family pigeon has resigned, so now communication has only 2 options.
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
Your quick drill. Say either.
કાં તો
Say or else.
નહીતર
The calendar says number. Now let's learn a useful sentence for modern life, where everyone is busy and even their calendars look stressed. In English, neither he nor she has time. In Gujarati.
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
The important part to remember is
સમય નથી.
which means there is no time or does not have time. Imagine inviting 2 people to a meeting. He checks his watch and runs away. She checks her watch and runs away faster. Your planner bursts into tears. You sigh and say,
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
Mini dialogue. A. Can they join us? B. No.
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
Quick word focus. Time.
સમય.
No time.
સમય નથી.
This sentence may feel long, so don't panic. Long sentences are just short ideas wearing a winter coat. Say it again slowly.
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
Smart shopping, happy wallet. Our last phrase is the sentence of a wise shopper. Not a reckless shopper. Not a coupon wizard gone wild. A wise shopper. In English, both the quality and the price are right. In Gujarati.
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Keywords first.
ગુણવત્તા
Means quality.
કિંમત
Means price.
બંને
Means both.
યોગ્ય
Means right or suitable. Imagine holding a shirt in a market. The fabric feels good. The price tag does not attack your soul. You smile like a champion and declare.
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Mini dialogue. A. Is it worth buying? B. Yes.
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Funny image. Your wallet and the product shake hands politely and agree to stop arguing.
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Quick drill. Say quality.
ગુણવત્તા
Say price.
કિંમત.
Rapid fire review game. You've met all 5 phrases. Now let's see if your brain has been quietly doing excellent work behind your back. How do you say, he is not only punctual, but also reliable?
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે.
How do you say, she is tired but motivated?
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
How do you say, either you call or I write?
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
How do you say, neither he nor she has time?
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
How do you say, both the quality and the price are right?
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Your mini challenge. Now it's your turn to play with the phrases a little. No pressure. Just friendly, slightly dramatic language training. Say the reliable phrase while tapping your wrist and then your heart.
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે.
Say the motivated phrase with a fake yawn first, then a determined nod.
તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે.
Say the call or write phrase while pointing left and right like a game show host.
કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું.
Say the no time phrase with 2 head shakes, one for each person.
તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
Say the shopping phrase like you just found a treasure in a market.
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You just practiced real Gujarati contrast sentences, and your memory now has some very entertaining images to help keep them there. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these phrases out loud, repeat them tomorrow, and use them in your own tiny stories. The more often you say,
તે માત્ર સમયનો પાબંદ જ નથી, પણ વિશ્વસનીય પણ છે. તે થાકી ગઈ છે, પણ પ્રેરિત છે. કાં તો તું ફોન કર, નહીતર હું લખું. તેને પણ નહીં અને તેણીને પણ સમય નથી.
and
ગુણવત્તા અને કિંમત બંને યોગ્ય છે.
the more natural they will feel. Thanks for listening, keep practicing, and see you in the next chapter.